Want to see how I went from this to this? Keep watching, guys, and you'll find out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long minute. I have been so caught up with life. So much has happened, but I'm back now, so I'm glad to be back. And yeah, it's back to regular programming. How's everyone doing? I'm doing okay myself. Okay, so in today's video I'll be making reverse native soup, and it's been a long time coming actually. I'm just glad I finally got around to making it. So for the native soup today, we're going to be needing the following ingredients. I have my dry fish, my cocoa yams, my chopped onions. I also have all my seafood and chopped peppers. I also have my crayfish, palm oil, and my seasoning cube. I also soak the skin of my prawns in very hot water, and I'm going to use the water as the base of my cooking. So let's get started, guys. So first off, I boiled my tripe and my goat meat, which is what I will be using for the soup today. That smells so good. Anyways, I'm going to add a little bit of water into this just so that the meat can get a bit softer before I start to cook with it. So fun fact, guys, I actually dried my dry fish myself. I wanted to buy some dry fish from the African store, but most of the dry fish were so, I don't know, there were just something about them that I didn't really like. So I decided to dry myself with my air fryer, and I'm so happy I did because they were so fresh and they just added to the flavor of the soup. I'm so happy I did. So guys, something I like to do is once I put my seafood in the soup is practically ready to come out. Like, I'm going to let it cook for only about 2 to 5 minutes tops, and then it's out of the stove. That's it, guys. It's all done and ready to be eaten. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video if you actually like it. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys.